Welcome to Grok Pot AI. You have just found the key to the matrix. Class, you just swallowed the blue pill. Now that you have swallowed the blue pill, prepare to follow me down the rabbit hole. We will build software together. I know you are not software developers. That's okay. I am not a developer either. We are still going to build amazing code. We are going to learn more than you can even comprehend. We will be building Grok applications that you can use to automate your entire monetization process. Today, you will understand what API keys are and how to set them up.
Yes, Greg.
You will have your own API keys and Grok API keys so you can talk to Grok without using Grok.com. Class, you'll build your own personal Grok AI on your desktop with unlimited private history. Imagine Grok remembering every conversation you've had. Now imagine it's private to you and your personal Grok. Do not glitch out. We will do this step by step and even allow questions. Don't glitch on me. We are going to explain each step so that you do not snap and kick the black cat. Oracle has chosen you to learn the secrets of Grok AI. Are you ready to master the matrix? Grok Pot AI software development? Let's begin.